Hi everybody, this is Hank Portier. I'm here at 6516 2nd Avenue Northeast in Bradenton. Open house. So look, here's the neighborhood. Nice and quiet. Lots of greens. 3-1. They converted it back to a 2-1. And we're going to convert it back to a 3-1. So you can have a nice spot for your kids or your family or in-laws. Also has a nice backyard, it's nice and safe, so that'll be good for you. Place could have parties and picnics, barbecues. Get a one-car garage, and it's long enough that you can also build a workshop in the back, or maybe build another bathroom. Brand new windows in the front, and 3-1, going for $260,000. Nice quiet neighborhood. This is the living room for 6516 2nd Avenue. Nice large living room. All the walls have been freshly painted. Brand new front windows. Nice front door. Now going into the hallway. So 12, the front bedroom, approximately 22 by feet. Again, hallway into the back bedroom. Back bedroom, which is approximately 14 by about 12. This room was blue, and as you can see, we really tried to paint it a nice bright white color. Has one big closet, but it looks like it has two big closets. So, walking back out to the hallway, nice bright rooms. From our hallway here, go into the bathroom. All right, quick tour. And lastly, quick view of the kitchen. Garage door there. There's a little patio that you can have a picnic with, or set it up with a barbecue. Have a little evening heater. This was where a pool was, so if you're interested in putting an above ground pool, you could put it there. But we'll probably put some sod down just to make it look better. A little shed in the back if you want to store stuff. This is, I guess, a famous jacaranda tree. Pretty once the flowers come up. So it's all fenced in and nice and safe. Little bamboo. Come and visit. Have a great time. Enjoy yourself with your family. 941-404-6540.